Guys, ginamit ko yung 24K Gold snail tearing mask. Ayan. After 20 minutes, ipifill up ko siya. Ayan. Na-tighten yung ko, tingnan nyo. Lumikit siya. Ayan. Tearing mask. After 20 minutes, i-remove siya. Ganyan siya, guys. Ang tight ng skin. Ipifill up na natin. Nagta-tight yung skin. Nilagay natin kanina. Ayan siya, guys. Ay. Sakit, guys. Nagka-crack-crack siya. Ay. Nagka-dikit-dikit siya, guys. Masakit. Masakit, guys. Alam niyo ba yung paglagay ng ano? Ay. Mahapti. Pag tinanggal nyo na, guys, slowly lang, ha? Kasi masakit. Nagka-crack-crack siya. Yan na siya, guys. After 20 minutes, natuyo na siya. Dahan-dahan daw. Ayan, guys. Kung nakikita na nyo, guys, yan na yung result na niya. I-fill up na natin siya. Tingnan nyo. Nag-tight yung skin ko. First time ko talaga mag-face mask, guys. Ang ganda niya. Ito siya, oh. Yan. 24K Gold. Lyco. Deep cleansing and cleanser Titan Force. So, yan yung purpose niya, guys. Ang ganda. I got it from Timo. So, guys, as you can see, my skin get tightened. See? And now I'm feeling it off. See, guys? You need to remove it very, very little. Very slowly. See? You need to feel it off like this. It hurts, guys. Yan. Ang ganda ng result niya, guys, eh. Ang hapdi. Masakit, guys. It's hurt a little bit. So, ito na siya, guys. I will remove it because I can take it a video. It's hurting me. So, later I will show you. After you use this one, you need to cleanse, then rinse with water. And it's recommended to use twice a week. 1 to 2 times per week. So, thank you for watching, guys. I will remove it now. So, it's very tight. See? My skin, guys, too tight. See, this one is this part I removed already. So this tight. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Bye. I can't talk properly because it's tight. See, bye, guys.